Hello everybody. We are going to make this unboxing in English, so all the Finnish people, it's no problem. We have the subtitles for you, and let's check this box out. Okay, so we have Lowtec Coilovers here. It's for my Citroen C4 Mark II, so it's from the 2010 to today. So it's the new model of them. I already opened it and see what's in there, but let's check it out again. Okay, here we have some kind of poster. It would look cool in the garage or some kind of service center wall. But that's not important. This is also, there are some kind of instructions, and I think it's also, yeah, it's TUV papers for the registrations and stuff. You can see the specifications in there. But the most important thing here is, of course, the coilovers and the rear springs, and of course there is these adjustable bits for the rear springs. Let's see them. It feels like the structure is all aluminium, anodized to black, and this red color. This is kind of cool. Nice looking. There is a locking screw there, and you can adjust the height easily with this one. It comes to the, I think it comes here, yeah, to the lower part of the spring, and this goes up. Easy to adjust. Two of them, two of the rear springs, powder coated. There are the codes for the springs, and they are also on the papers. Let's check what's in here. Okay, this is Langzeitschutzprotection. It's a protection film, transparent, so it's some kind of grease or something like that. It says it's durable about 12 months, so you can just spray it on the coilovers and it will last longer, no corrosion or such. And here we have rear shocks. Coloring is yellow, looks kind of cool. Rubber chromat on the bottom, and there is this suspension stopper. Two of those shock absorbers, and here is the front shock. It is already assembled. It has the same kind of rubber here, and the ride height adjustment. I think this is for the spring tightening, this one, and the lower one is for the ride height. Yeah, it works similarly like BZ racing. You can adjust the spring tension with this one. It really makes difference for the ride, and this one is for the ride height. These look like anodized aluminum too. It must be that kind of stuff, and you can lock them. There are different level of coilovers from Lowtec. There is a Comp series, which is the most affordable one, around 500 euros. Then there is this high-low level. This is high-low 3, so it's not the cheapest from the high-low, but it's a little bit more expensive, around 800 euros. It has a stainless steel structure, so it was an obvious choice for the Finnish winter. We have bad weather here, so I recommend everyone to have this stainless steel structure. If you use your car only on summer, maybe high-low 2 could be also great. It has the same structures, same everything, but the struts are made from normal steel. So the stainless will definitely be a good choice for Finland. It looks good. Powder coating, and here there is this satin finish. It looks kind of industrial with this gray coloring. Many suspensions are painted in yellow or purple, glossy black and such. Maybe this satin finish will look better when it's slightly dusty and such. And then we have this little bag of goodies. There was a lighter. It works. There was also a pen, but it was broken. I threw it in the bin. We do have plenty of pens, so it doesn't matter. There are these little thingies. I have absolutely no idea what these are. Then there is like a special spanner. I don't know what kind of spanner it is, but it has to do something with the right height adjustment. We'll see. And then there was this little thingy. This is for the right height adjustment, I think. Yeah, you just install it to the hole and so you don't want to miss this. Just keep it available every second when you own your car. Looks good. There are instructions with pictures also. It shows how to use the spanners and such. And there are also the markings and everything. But there we go. It's the ingredients for the lowering my Citroen. Let's just put the lid on and wait for the time for installing. There. See ya.